morning everybody, it's Vlogmas day 21 and it's Christmas!
Fake Christmas.
It's my family
Christmas number one.
Christmas, the best Christmas, bitch. It's Christmas day for me, my dad, my sister, my sister's boyfriend, my dad's girlfriend, my grandma, Tim and me. We're gonna have a roast, but we're starting our day with a 5k. Yeah, Tim and I are gonna go to do the park run today, which I'm excited for because we've not done it since before we went traveling. Yeah, so we're gonna go put ourselves through some pain and then we can indulge massively on my dad's roast dinner. I fake tanned last night, hence why my body is so much darker than my face, and my hands are always the darkest. Still loving these nails. They're sick. I'm a mug. Thank you for the influx of orders on the mugs, by the way, just before Christmas. I hope whoever you got them for Christmas or whoever bought them for themselves really likes them. Anyway, we'll see you after the run when I'm getting ready for Christmas. And I think we might be going out later. So it's gonna be a long boozy day. Okay. Oh, it's horrible out here. We're ready for the big run. It's only 5k. It's not really a big run, but it is the furthest I've run since I did a 10k. I hope I'm not like way off my time. And I can't sit straight down on the floor because it's raining. In the summer when I'd finish the 5k, I'd sprint the end and then I'd have to sit down on the floor. What am I gonna do? I might actually have to stay standing. We gotta go to Morrison's and we gotta get my grandma a frame and we gotta get some port. I can try. Housekeeping. Anything else we need to get?
I don't think so.
Swag. That's it then. Let's go for a run.
A run.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We did it. I got my lowest time in about 6 months. I think it was 36 minutes to run 5k. It was not a good time for me at all, but I fell. It was, look at my trainers. These are not like cross-country trainers. These are for treadmills and pavement, so there is no tread in them. Sorry, I keep hitting you on the window. There's no tread in them whatsoever, so I just completely decked it twice. So I walked over the mud areas and ran on the pavement, and Tim beat me by 4 minutes, which I'm really pissed about.
I think I did my best time. I'm just gonna check.
How did you do your best time in the mud?
Oh no, 31:59 was my best. I probably got just over that.
Yeah, because mine was 39:52. No, 31:52. So we probably finished together. You're probably just like...
No, I swear there was one where you absolutely decimated me and Liz.
There was.
That was the time Liz went for a shit. Sorry, Liz.
Liz thought she was going to poo herself halfway around and had to stop. Sorry, Liz. She watches Vlogmas. I think Liz is probably the only person who I know in real life who actually watches all of my vlogs. Oh, sorry, Liz. I absolutely fucked that. That was our first run my first run in about 4 months. So the fact that fitness-wise, I felt absolutely fine. If it was dry in our regular course, I reckon I would have smashed that. Damn it. I think we're going to do spin in the winter and park run in the summer because they're both a Saturday morning. Tim's turned the music on, that's my cue to stop. Right, protein time, and then we're going to go to Morrison's to get some supplies for Christmas Day. I have 2 hours to shower, wash my hair, dry my hair, curl my hair, do my makeup and edit the vlog.
Do you need to curl your hair?
Yes, Tim, it's Christmas Day.
And we're gonna do our presents as well.
That's not gonna happen. Tim, do we have time? No, the Christmas nightmare. Right, while I'm rushing to get ready, Tim gets to have a lovely bubble bath.
Where's this Christmas bath bomb?
Here, I just chose you one. Today, you get Mr. Snowman.
Woohoo! Here he is.
I'm walking in the air. Oh.
You're forgetting about the child he abducts.
Tim. Vlogmas is edited and uploading. Makeup is on. I went nice and cliche, and I just need to do my hair, put my outfit on, and then we're ready to go. I don't know what Tim's doing. Hopefully he's ready. Here's my Christmas Day outfit. Green and red. Love a cliche. Here's my handbag.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree,
pressure on you.
such pleasure.
Where your own time? Where
Don't let muscular.
where does Santa go when he is sick?
The
Oh, this one requires an accent. Sounds like good at that.
The Ho-Ho Hospital.
The Elf Centre.
Oh, come on. You saw
I
that.
didn't say it.
I mean, no one's gonna know
I
this
would've
one.
said,
Why
"Yeah,
was
okay,
6
that."
afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9.
Of course he did.
Come on, that's not even...
That's not even. God.
What did the fish see when it swam into a wall?
Place. No, that's the wrong place.
Place.
It swam into a wall and it said, down.
Damn.
Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. A symbol of goodwill and love, you'll ever be unchanging. Each shining light, each silver bell, no one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, my dear.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers, boys. Cheers, boys.
He's gonna say that. It's a good one. I like that one. He won't tell you why or how. They all taste identical to him.
There's a much stronger aftertaste than
That's the main reason why I did this. Yeah, look at him. He's like, yep, I'm just gonna wing this.
Tastes like port.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers to you.
Chin chin.
To the second port.
And the second coming.
Happy birthday, mate.
But it has got more of a...
Connoisseurs. Connoisseurs in the house. Got more of the something.
It's got a little bit of the old something.
Still say quiet.
I'm going to say whatever. It's like cut grass. What's the dog's food in it?
Charming. Know your audience, I bought this for you. Tim, what do you think? Porty?
Oh yes, definitely port.
Definitely a liquid, isn't it?
Some port.
Red.
Red?
It is red.
Yeah.
It is red.
Are we
The
ready?
last port.
No, this is the third one. The last one.
We're only halfway through.
The penultimate port. Oh, we're halfway through. Crikey, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers! There we go. Round 3. Ding, ding, ding.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a liquid again. Oh yeah, definitely port.
I wonder what the actual difference
Those two are much more
No,
similar than
that's
this
clear-
one.
Yes, this is clearly different.
is. I mean, it looks clearer.
Must be it.
God, I love this so much. So glad I bought these.
Oh.
I feel like I need to explain to the vlog what just happened. If you watched my what I got my family for Christmas video, I got my dad 3 tasting ports, and that's what just happened. They just tasted the
Okay,
ports.
are we ready? This is
And
the fourth
clearly
one.
have no idea about port, so it's kind of wasted on them. Anyway, back to more port. After that brief interlude, to more port. Oh, they're on the big bottle.
This is full
They're on the,
Mason.
yeah.
Okay, wow.
Oh, we're on the fancy stuff now. Cheers! There we go.
That's
Here is boy child.
Very nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Very similar to number 2.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Hello everyone, Tim and I just went to McDonald's to get a Christmas McDonald's. We just got home, we're gonna eat it now, and we're gonna open our presents from each other, so I'll probably just time lapse it. And then we're gonna go to bed because we've got to get up for breakfast with my family tomorrow. So here's what we got each other for Christmas. You guys already know what Tim got, but here's what I got for Christmas. We just did presents. Tim cried. I think he's happy, which is great, but it is now 3 AM, so we're gonna go to bed. I need to take this makeup off my face because it's been on my face for so long. I'm sorry if I didn't vlog very much today. Honestly, it's just been such a long day with a 5K, and then it was really stressful, and then it was really nice, and then we went clubbing, and now I'm so tired and quite drunk. I've been drinking for 13 hours. So I'm gonna go to bed because I need to be up for breakfast and a dog walk in the morning. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.